Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Rowe. We're looking in Geometry Part A. This is the lesson on interior and exterior angles of polygons. And this is an example like some of the last two in the lesson where you have to find the value for x and then find the measure of each exterior angle. So this basically just tests one little characteristic of exterior angles. It's that all exterior angles will have a sum of 360 degrees. So what you got to do is you've got to take each one of these exterior angles, so each one of these, and you're going to add all these together. So whatever expressions I give you, and this is actually a little more complicated than the ones you've got because you've got a triangle and a quadrilateral, and this is a hexagon, so it's a little more complicated. But everything is basically the same process. So we're just going to take and add all these together. So we're going to add 5x plus, or excuse me, minus 23, Mr. Rowe. So that takes care of this one. Plus x, that takes care of that one. Plus 6x minus 20x, 26. So that takes care of that. Plus 4x minus 6. It's actually plus 6, Mr. Rowe. Plus 2x. Plus 4x plus 7. Yours is going to be a lot less intense than this because you have less expressions. And that's going to equal 360. So that's the equation. So now what do? You combine all your like terms. I'm going to add all those together. That's 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 6 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18, plus 4 is 22x. And so then I have minus 23, minus 26, that's minus 49, minus 49 plus 6, that's 43, negative 43, and plus 7, and that's, I want to clear this up so it looks right. And then negative 43 plus 7 is negative 36. And that's going to equal 360. Now, if you've got a calculator, please use your calculator. I was just doing it in my head just because I didn't want to pull my calculator up. I'm going to have to pull my calculator up anyway. So let's move it to the other side. Maybe. Yeah, we'll just leave it there. And then we'll move this. How about that? How does that work? Okay. So at this point, it's a two-step equation, so I have to add 36 to each side first. And so that ends up with 22x equals, and that's going to be 396. And the last step is to divide by 22. So 396 divided by 22 gives me 18. So x equals 18. Now that's just the first step of the process. Now you got to find each of the angles. Well, we know what this angle is. Since it's x, it's going to be 18 degrees. And I'm going to show you a couple. This one is 2x, so it's 2 times 18. So that angle is 36, and that's how you're going to do the rest. You're just going to substitute, simplify to find each of the angles. I hope this helps you with numbers 9 and 10. So you're just going to set up an equation, solve for x, and then plug in x to each one of the expressions. I only did 2, but you have to do the rest. I hope this helps you with those. If you still have trouble with these as you're working on the lesson, please let me know in a teacher message or make an appointment for a help session.